welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm so excited. My sweet mom from Nigeria, she has just shipped some items for me and massive. I'm so looking forward to see what I've got before Christmas. So I just got it just now and I will be unboxing it with you guys. I hope you enjoy this video and unbox with me, guys. Thank you. We're gonna be unboxing this together, and too many things in this bag that has to do with Christmas presents, and they'll be watching this video. Some of those people that are gonna be having this, so I might have to like hide them because they'll be watching this video and they'll be seeing their Christmas presents. Okay guys, let's unbox together. I had to get a scissors and my mommy can pack. Zoom. So let's do this together. Unbox. Note guys, my mom said she bought me some lovely African outfits, so I'm going to be trying them on, so you have the opportunity to pick the one that is your favorite. Thank you. It's big, but it's not that heavy. I'm going to just sweep this. Yeah! Mommy bought me hobbies. That's a lot. So I'm going to be doing my hair very soon. Wow! Wow, this is so nice. Oh, the old family. Have a look. That is nice. Lovely. Oh, man, this is so nice. Oh, nice one. The boy is on board. That's a nice one for Christmas from Grandma. Thank you so much, Mommy. I love you. I love you to pieces. Mom. I'm praying pieces at my mom in Nigeria. Oh my God, Mommy can spoil me. She bought quite a lot of this. So I'm going to have to be doing like a lot of braids now. Oh, Mommy, love you to pieces. Wow. So these are so many attachments here. I have to put them away somewhere. I've got lots. Oh my God. Wow, this is so nice. Available in different colors. But different colors, yeah. Oh my days. Can you imagine? Oh, I'm not so wired like that. So I'm gonna have to mix this. I'm not so. I always love this color. Oh, blue. Okay. Summer, I can't wait. Okay. Unbox. Woo! Mommy got me some outfits as well. Oh my God. When will I get to wear this? Oh, this is so nice. Oh, have a look. Don't worry, I'll wait for you so you can see how it looks like. Okay, one hand. Let's go one hand here. Oops. Okay. Let's put that aside. You can only see the beauty of it when I actually put it on. Okay. Put it somewhere. Wow. That's another outfit. Mommy wants me to be going out though. Unbox. Yeah, this is another outfit that yeah. I can't wait, guys. Get me posted. Let's party after the COVID. Okay, yeah. So that's another outfit there. It's so nice. I like the color. The style is cool as well. Yeah, I'll wear them so you can have it. You can see. It's nice. Yeah. My table is very nice. I've not even started yet. Oh my days. This is another outfit. This is all white. Okay, this is a skirt. Ooh, that's a skirt. Oh, this is so nice. This is so nice. Oh my god, this is really nice. This is nice. As in really, really nice. I mean, I can feel this is so beautiful. I can't wait to wear them and then we can have a look at it. This is really nice. Wow, I have lots of outfits. I don't really go out like that. Okay, this is another white. Oh yeah. This is another white. Oh sorry, I'm showing the this is so white as in I think the beauty is really in the hand is like that. So it has that shining beauty to it. That's it. You can see it well. So yeah, it's quite beautiful though. But I think I prefer the other one. That was nice, but it's a dress, so it's long. It's a long short, also like 3/4. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Wow, when am I going to finish unboxing? I don't know. I've got that one as well. My hands are out to me already. This one, Mom has already sent this to me in the past. Like, I could show you guys a picture that I was wearing it. And I don't know, I think I sat on something, I can't remember, there was a bit of a hole here, so I had to resend it back to her, so they had to get it fixed again, so yeah, that's it. So I might be showing you a picture of where I was putting it on. It was really, really like, people really liked it. Oh yeah! Okay. This one, I can't actually show you because it's not for me. It's for some other people for Christmas, and their picture is actually there. And they'll be watching this video, so I don't want to share their personal thing. Okay, so that's for them for Christmas. So it's lovely. That is so beautiful. So I just put that aside. Wow, this is nice. Oh, so beautiful video as well. So I don't want them to see before Christmas. Yeah, so I won't really show that much. But that's a nice one. And the hair is still like a lot. Oh, this is not finishing. Oh yeah, this is also for another lovely family for Christmas. And I'm afraid I can't show that because it's supposed to be a Christmas surprise birthday gift as well. But yeah, I'll show you back. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. So another surprise Christmas present, so I can't really show it because they will be watching this video, and this video is going to be coming out before Christmas, and they won't get it until Christmas Day. Yeah, so that's another package. I'm unboxing and unboxing. Whoop. Oh, Mommy bought some peanuts. And she didn't just buy 2. She bought 6. Ooh. Wow, sweet mama. Okay, that is a lot. I think altogether about 20. So I just have to be braiding my hair now. Oh, cashew nuts. Oh yeah. Oh, Mommy bought some cashew nuts. She knows we like cashew nuts. But she didn't just... Oh, I don't know if you guys know this aboliki. This is so like really hot. Like, oh, it's called aboliki. Oh, don't play with it at all. It's so, I don't know. Some people know rub. This is really stronger than rub. So she got quite a number of aboliki. Yeah, she's just worried about the COVID, and she keeps saying, oh, you guys should use ability, but nobody here, especially my kids, will not use it because it's very strong. Yeah. Oh my god, mommy wants us to remember home sweet home Nigeria. Peak milk, I know a whole lot of people in Nigeria love peak milk. So yes, she sent me some peak milk. Thank you, mommy. Oh yeah. Oh, unbox. Ability. So, oh, I'm expecting another bag. That's the food items. So these are more like clothes. So mommy didn't like to put food items with clothes together. So, oh. And this is not finishing. Oh my god. Okay, this is another one, you know. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so like I said, I can't really show you the faces because it's for a surprise Christmas present. Okay. Yeah. Oh, finally, we have finished unboxing. Some things are popping up. I thought I'd finished. Oh my god, I really don't know what this is. But let me pick it up. Okay, my mommy said this is called Atare. Atare, I only know it in Yoruba. Atare. They said it's quite good. They said it's so hot. They said it's so hot. There's bits of seeds in there. And my mom just actually got it because of the COVID. And she said, oh, wow. She said to me to try to be eating them like that. Not for me. She said it's very good. Trust mommy. She does her research always on YouTube. So yeah. So oh my god, this is so hot, like seriously spicy, everything. Yeah, Atare. So guys, just for anyone that knows about it, I was told that it's very good. You should just try to take some and just try to eat them. It helps to clear the throat and all that, you know. This COVID has to do with, you know, it comes with cold and with the lungs and all that. So yeah, I was told that this helps to really clear everything. So it's really very good and hot, spicy, you know. And the COVID doesn't like anything hot, anything doesn't like a hot things are hot and spicy like that. So this really helps, according to. I finished unboxing. The whole place is the whole place is full of everything. Oh, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Bye for now. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. See you some other time. One love.